Hello, welcome to CompXM CompXM. I record this video to explain and guide for exam. Uh, CompXM includes 4 rounds, so we are going to go through on the 4 rounds. The CompXM is quite faster than Capstone and also faster than CapSim Foundation. We have 4 rounds to go, so we are also having four four products already. So have 4 products already. So and 4 products in 4 segments: the thrift, core, nano, and elite. So it's quite similar to same foundation and capstone, but fewer products and fewer segments. So here we have four products only and 4 rounds to play. So that's why we try to add new 4 products from the round 1, so that we will have 2 more rounds. Round 2 we have 4 products, but not all the capacity, because all the product developed, you see that on the screen, take 1.5 years in the mid of the second years. So next year we have half year to produce, but from round 3 and round 4 we will get full year to produce. That's our strategy for long term. If you want, you can add two more products, but I think we can try test at 4 more products, so we will get all the product up ready for sales production and sale from year 3. And we need to create a plan of the 4 years in advance, so we get the drift and also we get the ideal spot. So normally we follow the ideal spot. That's quite costly and long time to produce, but we meet the customer demand, and our product is often on the top of the competition. After upgrading, adding the 4 products, we check the industry report, the Korea. Now we call CompX inquirer, but we take all the 4 products. Be careful to memorize what product lies in what segment. So Alan here, number 4, but lie in the first segment, thrift, and Apple the second is core segment, and ACAP is a nano product segment, and AP the third one, we lie in the fourth segment. But when we add the new 4 product, we can in the order of thrift, core, nano, and elite. So we get 8 products from the second year. It looks very nice. Maybe we can think it's just enough to win. So next video clip we will try to next strategy we will try to add 2 more products only, not all the 4. In this series of 4 videos, so we will add 4 products. So we check the price carefully. Our strategy is we keep the price on the top of the segment. For example, thrift, we keep that 24, and for the core we keep that close to 32, maybe 30, and for nano products in the third segment we keep that close to 40, and maybe 38, and also the last maybe that's the fourth segments, elite or elite product, we keep that close to 42. So we get the products quite high and still sell well. Actually we cannot put that too high, because in this game, in CompXM, the products affect 24 to 20 to 20, around 20% of customer purchase. So now we need to come to the marketing. We estimate the sales focus for the next year. So we check the report, page 4, and also the potential market share unit. In any units for next year, we put that into the Excel file as in the screen you see, and then automatically calculate the focus for the next year. Make sure that we get 4 products for the first round, but next year we will get 8 products from round 2 to round 3 and 4. So the growth of the market also important. We take that to match with each segment. We get thrift, core, nano, and elite, 110, 14, and 16, and 11%. And now we put the focus into the marketing quite precisely as possible, and also we get for production plan for the first round. It's quite simple, right? We check if some plan that need 100 capacity, for example, I kept the nano product needs, so we upgrade by adding more 300. um, 300 more capacity. And also we remember to we add four new products, so we need to add the capacities for that for new product too. So we get in the screen, you see we had 500 for all of them, maybe 5 6 and 5 4, depends on your adjustment of the potential market share and potential capacity, but we can make it simple, 500 for all the four new products. And also remember to add automation, and the limit here is a 59 million for investment, so we use 57, and invest in human resource recruiting and training hours. For TQM we have 4 years, so we invest 1 million for all the round from now to the next two rounds, but not round 4. And we check the result, performer rate, it looks good. And also we check the performer income, and also performer and also we check the balance scorecard. We check the income statement, it looks quite good. We get sale of 184 and 638% of contribution margin, and some around 6% of net profit is good. 12 million net profit is good, because last year we get the net profit of 20 million. Not all the same for all the company, but we are leading. We reduce a little bit in net profit, but we will get that back in next 2 rounds or 3 rounds. So that's the strategy, basic strategy for round 1 in CompXM. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.